to this class. In this class, we're gonna see how to USB devices works on the VMs. When you turn on your VM, you can see below this USB icon. In this icon, you need to click with right button for start any device connected at your physical computer. In my case, I have an USB audio device, on one PC camera, Apple keyboard, and USB mouse, and whatever. So to connect, for example, my USB PC camera on my VM, I need to just click on this device. So here in our VM, this device is configuring right now. If I right button on start menu and devices manager, I can see here this device is installed successful here. Ready for use. So that's it. For connect different types of devices, just click on this option with right button. If you're turning the configuration, you can use the option USB settings, and here you can configure serial port and USB port. You can connect it directly on your VM, storage devices, put and output devices, and so that's it. See you at the next class.